Hi, Weerem again, back at you with another video. So you guys saw that we just wrapped up making a face mask, a DIY face mask. Welcome to how to make a home mask. What we will need is our hoop master, 10 by 10 miter hoop, scissors, bent tweezers, thread nippers, ruler, 15 by 15 tearaway stabilizer, and your cloth. Let's put everything together. So let's get our magnetic hoop. The tearaway stabilizer goes on top, locks in place with the 4 clips. Next goes our cloth. The top portion of the hoop snaps into place with the bottom portion of the magnetic hoop. Make sure it's secured. Make sure the cloth is nice and tight. Bring the hoop fabric over to the embroidery machine. Take your time and install. It snaps into place on both sides. I usually use my number 1 needle to actually center the design. Always remember to trace your design. If you're satisfied with your tracing, hit that start button and watch your design come to life. face mask stitched out, let's trim the excess fabric from around the mask. Take your time, no rush for this step. I must say, it took a little bit of focus. We're almost there. There you have it. We're coming along. The mask is trimmed. Let's remove the tear away stabilizer. The bend tweezer worked fine for this. Your finger as well. Stabilizer is almost gone. Tweezer comes into play. There you have it. Stabilizer removed. Let's move over to the sewing machine. So what I did, I measured about 2 inches between where I'm about to sew the straps. I'll have you guys listen to some music while I sew the straps into place. Let's go. Hi, Weerem again, back at you with another video. So you guys saw that we just wrapped up making a face mask, a DIY face mask. But before we go into the details of that, I just want to give a disclaimer. So this is a home mask. This is not a medical grade mask. Look at CDC, suitable face mask against the COVID-19 virus. So you guys saw the materials needed for this particular project. We went over to the embroidery machine. You guys saw and saw how we stitched out the face mask. In a couple minutes, you'll see me actually wearing the face mask, demonstrating how nice it fit. So what I did with this particular face mask, I actually use 2 straps behind the head. The lower strap actually ties, whereas the strap on the top actually I actually stitched it on both sides. So you guys will get to see that in a few minutes. I appreciate everything that you guys have been doing so far with the likes. I'm not up there with subscriptions yet, but I'm hoping very soon. You guys will help out with that. If you guys got any value from this video, I'll try to help out as much as I can. I promise 2 videos every week. Hit the like button, subscribe, and hit subscribe to all. That way you guys won't miss out from any fresh content or any of the awesome videos that I'll be dropping soon. So let me just get into wearing the mask now.